Hey everybody, I am Professor Lori Benlou. I will be your instructor for the next 5.5 weeks. Welcome to HIST 101 Modern American History. Excited to meet all of you and to kick off our semester. We will be officially kicking off the semester on Tuesday, August 18th with our very first chat. See the classroom for scheduling. But Monday, on the August 17th, I will be having my first office hours of the semester from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's a great time to ask me absolutely any questions. You may email me. You may use the CTU Messenger portion of the CTU app and get a hold of me on anything that you may need with this class. All right, so on August 18th, during our first chat, I will not only introduce the course, of course, but I also will be discussing the Cold War and the 1950s. A lot of interesting things to go over, a lot of fun things to go over when we go over the 1950s, absolutely, positively. So very much looking forward to that. And the Cold War has a lot of fascinating topics to go into as well. So very much looking forward to that. Okay, so Unit 1 due dates, my dear students. Everybody needs to keep track of these due dates. Basically, keeping track of due dates is key with a 5.5 week semester, especially. Get things done early and turn in early. Don't let things snowball. Okay, so Friday, August 21st, you have two important things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 1 Determined Knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And secondly, on August 21st, Friday, August 21st, you have your Unit 1 discussion board, which I feel is a very fun assignment. You introduce yourselves and we get to know one another. I just think it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to be explaining all this anyway in our first chat on August 18th, so no worries. Okay, then Tuesday, August 25th, you're going to have your Unit 1 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And in my first chat, I will be discussing the IntelliPass system and going over it with you. All right, everybody, looking forward to meeting you all, and I will see you at our first chat on the 18th. Have a good one.